everyone. Hi, Lega. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Good morning. Good afternoon. So, for tonight's vlog, after our whole tiring day, thank you. We need to treat ourselves at Vietnamese restaurant. And mine is flat noodles with pork chop. Rona will eat rice with pork chop. And Wati eat beef noodles. Hi, Wati.
Hi,
Yeah.
thank you, boss.
Wati is the boss today. That's our dinner. Let's eat, guys. It looks like one big... Alam nyo yung planggana or yung basin, parang isang planggana naman na yung noodles namin. Ang laki. And that's Rona's rice. Si Miss Kanin to eh. Say hi, Rona. Yan. Nagsama-sama yung tatlong Marias. Tatlong Marias ni Ma'am Mina. Kamaya, Wati. Okay, guys. Kain po tayo. Kind of drinks is this? But it's quite yummy. Basil. Nice that one, Rona, put here. Thank you. Thank you. Yan po yung drinks namin. Ang sarap. Sa Ilocano, alam nyo yung tinatawag na sartin, yung inuman. At the sartin da dito ay Vietnam. Yung baso, tawag namin sa Ilocano, sartin. Yung ganyang klase ng baso. Okay, kain po tayo. And this is my food. Flat noodles with pork chop. I want to share with Wati, but Wati cannot eat pork. Kain po tayo, guys. Tapos na yung aming pagkain. Ako lang pala ang nakaubos. Yan, ubos na lahat. Drinks na lang ang natira. Liga, kiyome. Kamkwat. Kamkat. Kamkat daw ang pangalan niya. Hindi ko alam sa English. Sarap ng lasa niya. Hot drinks. Si Wati. Si Rona. Si Rona ang hinang kumain. Hindi pa niya naubos lahat. Kinolekta na yung aming kinainan. Sarap Vietnamese restaurant. Sarap talaga ng kanilang noodles dito. Cheers! Cheers ng mga kongyan. Marami rin silang pagkain. Sarap ang design ng lights nila. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung Vietnamese style ba pati decorations nila. Ayan. Dito yan sa Saiwan Ho. Yan ang name ng restaurant po. North Viet. Yan mga food selection nila. Sasarap. Yan. Okay, we're done. Bye-bye.